Hello friends, I wanted to share with you my recent experience with one of the most fascinating hydroponic systems I've had the opportunity to test, the LetPot LPH-Max 21. This system stands out with its unique and innovative solutions that set it apart from other hydroponic systems. The light hood is crafted from high-quality plastic, giving it an attractive appearance. With dimensions of 14.5 by 10 inches, it is slightly smaller than a bowl. The LEDs boast a powerful 36-watt output, providing ample brightness. Moreover, it offers two lighting modes and the option to dim the light according to your preference. Attaching the light hood to the base is a telescopic support, which is made of aluminum and incredibly user-friendly. The support allows for a maximum growing height of 30.7 inches, making it suitable for various plants and purposes. The LetPot LPH-Max 21 stands out from other hydroponic systems mainly due to its unique bowl design. This bowl serves multiple functions and houses 3 pumps, which I've never come across before in other systems. Let's delve into the details of each pump. The first pump is responsible for circulating water within the bowl, and we'll discuss its operation in more detail later. The second pump is designed to transfer water from an external tank into the bowl. All you need to do is connect a hose between the bowl and the external tank. Whenever the water level in the bowl decreases, the pump automatically draws water from the external tank and pumps it back into the bowl. Moreover, the bowl features a specific section where you can add plant food. The system has a third pump that takes care of automatically feeding the plant food into the main tank when it's required. The bowl also comes equipped with a water level sensor and a filter. With a substantial water holding capacity of 7.5 liters, it provides ample space for the hydroponic setup. Interestingly, the bowl serves as a base for the entire system. It houses a control panel and serves as a mounting point for the light support, making it a central and essential component of the LetPot LPH-Max 21 hydroponic system. The main pump is compact yet robust in appearance. It is situated at the bottom of the bowl and firmly secured with a plastic cover. To prevent any potential clogging by roots, the pump is entirely surrounded by a filter sponge, which proves to be an effective solution. Moreover, the pump housing is equipped with rubber cushions underneath, significantly reducing vibrations and noise. In fact, I can confidently say that compared to other hydroponic systems, this pump is one of the quietest. As for its default operation, the pump automatically turns on every 30 minutes. However, in the menu, there's an option to completely deactivate the pump for a duration of 12 hours. One remarkable aspect of this hydroponic system is its inclusion of 2 growing decks. In all my tests and experiences with various hydroponic systems, I have never come across one that offers 2 decks. The first deck boasts 21 growing holes and is constructed from high-quality, durable plastic, ensuring it can bear a substantial weight. Additionally, the deck features a water inlet and numerous slots for attaching plant supports, providing ample flexibility for different types of plants. On the other hand, the second deck is designed with 2 large openings, allowing for the cultivation of larger plants. Like the first deck, it also exhibits exceptional sturdiness and comes equipped with a water inlet for convenient watering. Both decks share a uniform black color, giving the hydroponic system a sleek and unified appearance. The control panel comes with a spacious color screen and 6 buttons, making it remarkably user-friendly and easy to navigate. With this panel, you have the option to adjust the brightness of the light and set the duration for which the light will be on. Furthermore, you can choose between 2 lighting modes, vegetables or flowers. Additionally, the control panel features a clock, day counter, ambient temperature display, and a helpful plant food reminder. On the screen, you can conveniently monitor the water level in the bowl and even turn off the pump using the menu. Moreover, the device is equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to effortlessly control it through a dedicated app. The system includes 21 growing sponges and an equal number of baskets. Additionally, transparent grow domes are provided as well. As for the second growing deck, it comes with a pair of large sponges and their respective baskets. Please note that the sponges do not come pre-seeded, so you will need to handle the seeds yourself. There's also basket stickers here, 21 stickers for small baskets and 2 for large baskets. This hydroponic system comes with its own plant food, which is provided in solid form and is contained in 2 bottles, A and B, each containing 100 milliliters. Before use, the plant food needs to be diluted with water. The bottle caps also serve as measuring devices, ensuring convenient and accurate measurements. Inside the box, I also discovered several useful accessories that are worth mentioning. Firstly, there are 10 covers provided for the unused holes. These come in handy if you intend to grow fewer plants than there are available holes. Secondly, there are plant support sticks included. The deck features multiple slots where you can insert these sticks to reattach any plants that might have fallen apart. Additionally, there are signs included, allowing you to label and identify the different plants you are growing. Another essential accessory included in the box is a tube, specifically designed for the second pump. This tube is used to pump water from an external tank into the bowl. With the unpacking of the hydroponics system LetPot LPH-Max 21 complete, I wish you the best of luck and a plentiful harvest.